Today we are gonna fix HTTP error 500 problem. Let's start. The first solution is clear cache files and close extensions. To do this, we open our browser. After opening our browser, we click on the three dots at the top right and open settings. Once we have opened settings, we click on privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then see all site data and permissions. We click on the search bar and search for the site where we are having problems. After searching for it, we click on the trash icon and then click on delete. We have cleared the cache files. Now, we click on extensions from the left and close our extensions. We have closed our extensions. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If your problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is switching network. You can use your mobile data from your PC with USB tethering or hotspot features. After turning on one of them, you can connect your mobile data from your PC. After connecting to it, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is changing browsers. If our browser causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. As an alternative to Chrome, you can use Ecosia, Firefox, or Opera. After changing your browser, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.